Let's look at this example here. Here we have 5/6 to the negative fourth power. So remember, this negative 4 goes to both the 5 and the 6, okay? So we got 5 to the negative fourth and 6 to the negative fourth. So we're trying to rewrite this using positive exponents only. So now check it out. We can break this up, right? This 5 to the negative fourth is just 5 to the negative fourth. And then this over 6 to the negative fourth is as a fraction by itself without the 5 is going to be 1 over 6 to the negative fourth. Now we can use our property of negative exponents, okay? So this 5 to the negative fourth, that's going to be 1 over 5 to the positive 4. And then when we have this 1 over 6 to the negative 4, it's going to go from the denominator to the numerator, but instead of being a negative 4, it's going to be a positive 4. So we're going to end up with 6 to the fourth over 5 to the fourth. Now remember, with that quotient to a power, that's the same thing as 6/5 to the fourth power. So check it out. If we go from here all the way down to here, following all of our rules of exponents and negative exponents, right? Check it out. It went from a negative 4 exponent to a positive 4 exponent, and then we went from 5 over 6 to 6 over 5. So that negative exponent did flip it. It did do reciprocal, okay?